In today's video, let's understand how to install WordPress on your blog. If you'd first like to learn more about WordPress and the building blocks of a blog, click here to check out our previous videos. Log in to your Bluehost panel and answer a few questions to help Bluehost enhance the experience for you. But don't stress, you can skip these steps if you'd like. Finally, you get a chance to pick your website theme. Don't worry, if you're not ready, you can skip this step. And that's it. WordPress has been installed on your website. This is the homepage of your Bluehost panel. Your panel will help you manage your website. Navigate to My Sites to see the website you just installed WordPress on. Here you will see all the websites that are under your management. To add a new website, click on Create New Site or Add New Site. Add your site name, your site tagline, and hit Next. Choose the domain name that you want to install WordPress on. You will see that Bluehost has auto-selected a few plugins for you. Select the ones you want and hit Next. And that's it. WordPress has been installed on your new website. You can see the new website under the My Sites section of your Bluehost panel. You can manage your website from the Bluehost panel and also access the WordPress admin panel from here. And with that, you have completed another important step in setting up your WordPress blog. Join me in our next video as we learn how to design your WordPress blog. For more content on how to build and grow your WordPress website, please subscribe to our channel.